What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be trying to finish these 2 requests because look at this, red and blue plus gold. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get the golden egg, and I've done so many requests, and finally I'm getting the freaking golden egg. I'm so excited for this because I never gotten a golden egg, only a silver egg. That's awesome, right? And look at these, the golden egg. Oh, I got a ticket and a royal jelly. So here I got these basic bees. Red is, I got so many rares that I opened, and I got a buckle bee here that is epic. I want the one that I really want is a baby bee, which is legendary. I want a demon bee. I want a diamond bee. That's super cool. Look at this. So much coolness. And I want a lion bee. I also want the bear, but it's an event right here. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, it's the event here, but I don't need this. So let's just try to get to... I want to get a legendary one. I'm tired of getting so many rare ones. But I got this. And look at this. I'm almost there. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm super excited. You guys don't know how excited I am, but this is awesome. It's gonna be so awesome. And I hope there's no more requests because he said there's only one more request. So I got these 2 requests. Oh my gosh. Don't you dare tell me I'm gonna get... I'm getting so close to it. So you guys, I know I'm a little... No, never mind. Okay. So look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at how much I have here. Collect 25 blue pollen, 24,000, 25,000 honey. I said it right. I don't really like saying my numbers. Okay, 24,400. Oh, 530. Wow. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so close. And look how much money I have over here on top of this, right there. And look at over here. How much money I have. I mean honey. I have a lot of honey, right? I completed it, guys. I completed it. Look. I completed it. Yay. Oh my gosh, I need to go over there. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. If you want to get it, first you have to get... Oh my gosh. I'll show you where the ticket is at first. I'm going to show you where the ticket is when I get my golden egg. So let's go. Look, black bear. Yay, I'm going to black bear. Look, nice job. You earned this gold egg for sure. Yes! I got it, you guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Special golden bee egg hatches into an epic or legendary bee. Ooh, I don't want an epic. I don't want an epic, but first I'm going to do the honey. Gosh. So excited. I'm so excited. First I'm going to just make more honey with my bees. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this. Not even a single tint. I don't even know what I'm saying, but I'm so crazy that I'm so excited to get that I got the golden egg. Thank you, Mr. Black Bear, even though you made me do so many requests. Thank you for hearing me. He actually made me do 30 or 20 requests for this golden egg. And I bet he's going to give me the diamond egg later. He's going to give me 60 requests or 1,000 requests because that's a legendary bee. Oh my gosh. The diamond egg is one of the legendary bees. It hatches into a legendary bee, which I'm so excited to get a legendary. I either hope I get this bee. Look, I don't want any rare anymore. I don't want the epics, neither rares. I either want this one. Look, I either want the baby bee, I want the diamond bee, or the lion bee. That's what I want. Hope I get them. I don't know. I hope I get one of the legendary ones, but the ones that I like. So excited, guys. And first, after opening my golden bee, I'm going to show you where the golden ticket is at. Oh my gosh. I want to clear it out a little bit. Let me put this in here. I don't even have nothing. Ching, ching. And just checking. And I just have 5,000 honey. Pollen. 5,400. 4,000 honey. Pollen. Sorry. Travis. 9009. Travis S. Okay. Dang, I wish I had that much bees over there. Wish I had that much bees. Or, dang, not this much bees. Don't worry. I still need to get my other. Now I need to get a new bee. That's what I need to get. And I got another 2 royal jellies. Come on. Finally, you guys are done. Okay, I'm gonna show you over here. Over here, look how much I need of honey to get another bee. And I'm not gonna waste that money because I want to have enough money for. Okay, so here's the new bear that will give me a bag. That same bag right there. And over here is where the little token ticket is at. Here, I already got it. This is it. It's the golden ticket. And if you want to get a golden egg, you have to have 50 tickets. But I think I'm going over here to hatch my bee. The golden egg or the diamond egg will be the best. I got the fire bee. Okay. Never mind. At least I got a special bee though, right? Okay, so now what do we do? Oh, let's get another quest. Let me get another quest. Okay. By now, I bet you feel pretty at home here. That means you are finally ready for some real deal honeymaker. My upcoming requests are for the top beekeepers only. Aww. I believe you got what it takes. Complete my task 20 quests and I will give you most valuable position. A diamond egg. Oh my gosh. Diamond eggs always hatch into legendary bees. They are the best of the bees. Best. Oh, and to help you out, I'll give you a royal jelly for every 4 quests you complete before then. Let's kick things off with something simple. Nope. I can't get that much. Nope. 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 I can't collect that. Oh my gosh. Are you seriously kidding me? Ugh. I'd rather get the... I'm so mad. So mean. I got 11 bees. Ugh, no! Sorry, guys. Okay, I almost have to end this because, I need to put this to charge. Anyways, here you guys go. Why am I not digging? Okay. Well, anyways, guys, I'm gonna end it here. I'm so tired of this. Okay, but anyways, guys, peace, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm Meow Gamer. I'm trying to reach 20 subscribers if I can, or 10. But please subscribe to me because I need to have 20 subscribers or 10. Well, anyways, guys, love you guys, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.